Tree City, Andhra Pradesh, a beacon of industrial progress and sustainability. At the forefront of this transformation is IMOP, India Metal One Steel Plate Processing Private Limited, a leading name in manufacturing excellence, now embarking on a new journey, a journey towards clean and renewable energy. In collaboration with Panasonic, IMOP is making significant change by switching to solar energy. This partnership symbolizes a shared vision for a sustainable future.
Hi, myself Rajesh, taking care of maintenance and project in India Metal One Steel Plate Processing Private Limited in Sri City. We are the Tier 1 supplier for leading construction equipment manufacturer. Recently, we have installed this 1 megawatt solar power plant by Panasonic. This project executed with very high safety and good quality manner by Panasonic team. We are using around 25% of our entire power requirement through this solar power plant. Our management also very happy to have this green renewable energy. We would like to appreciate entire Panasonic team, and we are very proud to have this project in our plant.
This solar rooftop project is a testament to meticulous planning and advanced engineering. With a plant size of 1 megawatt peak, it features state-of-the-art 550 watt peak mono-PERC half-cut modules. These high-efficiency modules are designed to harness the maximum amount of solar energy, ensuring optimal performance throughout the year. The installation is expected to generate 1,480 megawatt-hour annually, significantly reducing IMOP's energy cost and carbon footprint. This clean energy production will offset 1,240 metric tons of CO2 every year, making a substantial impact on environment.
Hi, myself Chetan Menaria, and working here as a project manager in Panasonic Life Solutions India Private Limited. एंड इस प्रोजेक्ट में काम करना एक बहुत रिवार्डिंग एक्सपीरियंस रहा है, और ये जानकर कि ये कितना पॉजिटिव इम्पैक्ट डालेगा, सच में बहुत फुलफिलिंग है। सबके डेडिकेशन और हार्ड वर्क ने मिलके इस प्रोजेक्ट को सक्सेसफुल बनाया है, और ये देख कर के बहुत खुशी भी होती है कि हम एक सस्टेनेबल फ्यूचर के लिए कंट्रीब्यूट कर रहे हैं। हर रोज़ एक नए चैलेंज को फेस करना और उन्हें सोल्व करना बहुत एक लर्निंग एक्सपीरियंस भी था, और ओवरऑल ये प्रोजेक्ट मेरे करियर का एक हाईलाइट बन चुका है।
This solar rooftop is not just a project, it's a vision for the future. A future where renewable energy drives progress and sustainability. IMOP, in partnership with Panasonic, is paving the way for a cleaner and greener tomorrow. Join Panasonic in embracing the power of solar energy. For more information, visit our website. Switch to solar, switch to sustainable future with Panasonic.